Our history comes from a purpose: to create innovative solutions that change people's lives. With more than 35 years on the market, we are one of the biggest flexible plastic packaging producer group in Latin America. We produce high-performance flexible packaging such as stretch films, shrinks, technical films, industrial sacks, and disposable hygienic, delivering security, protection, and economy to the most diverse segments of the market. With 8 industrial plants placed in national territory and a distribution center in Spain, we manufacture more than 250,000 tons a year, exporting to more than 30 countries all around America and European continents. We are reference in technology. We have the most modern machines of the world to deliver packaging that generate value and results for our clients. We are passionate for quality and for continuous improvement in every sector of the company. We have international quality stamps and certificate, which guarantee the production process and excellence of our products. Working on the circular economy model of production, we are always aligning the development with sustainability. Then, we released the Blue PE, a packaging line produced with sustainable resin up to 100% recycled, bringing solutions of reverse logistics to improve the future of the planet. By aligning knowledge, experience, and great desire of innovation, we follow our non-negotiable commitments with quality, people satisfaction, and the circularity of plastic for the protection of the environment. Packing Group, the quality that wraps.